Hi there. On this video, I'll show you how to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. To start, open and locate your Instagram application. Once on your Instagram application, create a new post with multiple photos. I'll use the ones on my gallery as an example. Alright, I'll go to my albums, I'll take this. I will get another photo as well. Alright. Search for more photos while you're at it. Alright, bear with me a second here. Alright, I think I found the photos. I'm going to click on the ones that I want to add. These lovely sceneries. Alright, now Instagram will sync all the clips to your audio. Wait for it a few seconds, and here it is. It's the audios with the audio sync together with the photos. And here you go. Click on next again and this will process the video. And you're all good to go and share it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, subscribe.